Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, today I'm talking about, and I'm being very frank, why am I always constipated? Why am I always constipated? Now, y'all know I talk about everything on this channel. So I'm on a healthy weight loss journey for those of you who do not know. So I'm just keeping it really real. And this is something I talk about, all the digestive problems that I have. And some of it is because I'm backed up sometimes for days. So let's talk about what happens, the main reason why people are constipated, and which is my problem too. Constipation is a common digestive problem that affects many people. And it happens when you have this infrequent ability to pass the excrement from your body. Okay, let's keep it as clean as we can. So there's several causes of constipation. Normally it's because you have a low fiber diet. And that's me. I don't have a lot of fiber in my diet. I don't have it from grains. I don't have it from vegetables. Just eat kind of whatever. So again, that causes that backup because ain't nothing to push it out. Okay. Then you talk about stress, which I have been under a lot of stress recently. Lack of physical activities and certain medications can cause constipation. But for me and my body, the main reason that I'm often constipated is because of a low fiber diet and dehydration. Not enough water. So I'm getting way better at that. If you've been watching my channel and for any length of time, you see I'm incorporating more vegetables. I'm doing actually way better. And I'm getting ready to do a video too to show how I have been helped with this constipation. So today I'm talking about really just why. So in order to alleviate some of the constipation, you need to increase your fiber. That can be in fruits, vegetables, nuts, whole grains, all of that kind of stuff, which I'm actually working to incorporate in my diet. Drinking plenty of water. If you watch my other video, I talk about how some different ways to get more water in your body. And I do find that when I drink more water, I do have a smoother move. I really do. So I try to drink like 2 large cups. I try to get at least 2 large cups. And I usually do that on an empty stomach. Now, good or bad, I don't know why I do it. But I do the first one maybe like in the morning, kind of sort of. And then the second one maybe around like that 5 o'clock before dinner. And try to get 2 large cups in there. And that really does help with the movement of everything. And some people take a lot of laxatives or stool softeners. Now I've tried a few of those. I tried Dulcolax. That may work. But I really want to get into doing everything more natural in my body. I don't want to have to rely on a stimulant. You know, I've tried coffee. Now, there's a coffee in my area, y'all, at Racetrack. If it's a gas station, if you don't have a Racetrack in your area. When I drink that bad boy, it's just a regular coffee with cream and sugar. And it's grounded up so nicely. And it tastes so good. Which I know sometimes I try to avoid the coffee because of the caffeine. And that's what's causing that stimulation, is that caffeine. But I drink that bad boy. I ain't trying to tell y'all all my business, but you talking about the good move. It's a good move. Now, what helps you go to the bathroom? I know this conversation is kind of out there. As I already stated, I talk about a little bit of everything on this channel. Because I have another business channel. But on this channel, I talk about real life. So, what are some things you do to help you to stay moving in that area? So I know some people have told me oranges works, bananas works, raisins, prunes. What works for you? Because I'm open to trying a little bit of everything. Because I'm still not like whoosh, like a river. I'm not at all. But I'm open to trying different things so I can have my body move like that. Because you get all that junk out of there. You pulling out the cholesterol. You pulling out the sugar. You pulling out all this junk. Even around your midsection, you know. That's why sometimes this could be 10 pounds worth of gunk in your stomach. And when people go and have, I don't know if they still do it or not, but like colonics, I think it used to be called. And you go and they take and flush all that out your body. Or when I was preparing for a colonoscopy a few years ago, that was the best cleansing too. I could just feel it. So I said every couple of months I had thought about trying to do that cleansing that they have you do in preparation for a colonoscopy, but I haven't did it yet because it cleans and flushes out everything. Because it's just like your oils in your car. If they get all gunky and they can't move out, your car will eventually die. It will eventually quit. Same thing if you don't get that gunk and junk out your body. the same thing. You'll be feeling sluggish, your skin break out because all that poop and stuff is in your body, all them toxins, and it's got to go somewhere. So if it's just sitting there, that's not natural. So being constipated is a real thing. It really is. You just feel bad. Your stomach always bloated. So some other things you may think about if you are constantly chronically constipated, and I've often wondered myself, do I have irritable bowel syndrome, thyroid issues, which I've had my thyroid checked a couple times now, so they said I don't have any problem with my thyroid. So, you know, some people be like, I'm overweight because of my thyroid. And there are people that have thyroid issues. My mother had an overactive thyroid. So hers was to the point where she was losing so much weight. About 20 years ago, we was like, does she have cancer or something? Because hers was overactive. And my poor mama got so thin. For those of you who don't know, I lost my mom last year. I miss her terribly. But, yeah. So she had an overactive. And she had to drink blue dye. And that was a little funny thing because she didn't like going to the doctor at all. So, yeah, she had to drink this blue dye. They had to kind of see what was going on with her. Again, because hers was overactive. But for most people, it's underactive. And they are overweight because of it. But that ain't my problem. So, I've been cleared for the thyroid. The thyroid gang. I'm not a part of that. So, I can't even say it. That's why I got a problem. Or colon cancer. Colon cancer to be more serious right now. So, if you're actually having a lot of problems in that area, you might want to get checked out. You really might, because it could be a symptom of something else, you know, going on with your body. So for me, I know when I have a balanced diet, exercise, I do what I'm supposed to do, and drink my water, eat better, more fruits and veggies and all that stuff, I will go. So I know what the problem is. But I wanted to address it here though, because a lot of times I hear my friends even say it, constipation is something that's not talked about a lot. But we need to address it because you want to get those toxins out your body and you want to lose weight in order to really get everything. Another thing I'm going to tell you that constipates me, a few things actually, I'm going to tell you really quick, is eating beef. Beef will back me up for days. It will back me up like nobody's business. So I already know if I eat some beef, it's going to be 3 days later before it sees daylight. Yeah, so beef. Dairy is another one that will back me up. What if I have cheese, like I go to Mexican restaurant like that queso blanco, queso this and all that, blocked up for days, take days for it to come out of my body. So all that block up and it causes me to have acid reflux, right? Because my food is not going down properly. It's kind of stuck right here. So I'm still putting more food on top, more food on top. And then before you know it, you ever lay down and you can feel up that back up coming up your throat? It's very nasty. I pray you don't ever have to experience it. So that's why I'm even getting more serious with myself about what I'm eating and stuff, because I don't want to be sick. I did a whole video on that. I'm sick of being sick. So go back and check out all my videos about my healthy weight loss journey. And I'm doing good. It's not as fast as I would like it to be, quite honestly, but I'm living life and I have to live life. I'm not going to, just be on water miserable that way when I could be enjoying a nice meal, but just making different choices. I'm just all about trying to make different choices, small ones, which will lead to big ones. I'm not in it to just go boom, boom, boom. And then 6 months from now, I'm like, guys, I gained all the way back. I don't want to be that person. I don't even have time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. I don't know if you've seen that video some years ago. This lady was like, ain't nobody got time for that. I don't have time for that. I'm at a point in my life where I got to go one way. Now, in my 20s, in my 30s, and my 40s, I had a little bit more time to play around. I don't have time like that. I don't have time. I want to be able to move. I want to be able to walk. And if I don't get myself together right now, what am I going to do in the future? Who's going to take care of me? I got to be able to take care of Karen. I'm praying somebody going to be there for me. I don't have no kids. Mom and dad gone. I have my sister, I have my brother. I got some nieces and nephews and stuff. So I'll be all right. But I need to be able to take care of myself. And that starts with having good health. It does. So why am I always constipated? Because I need to eat more fruits and vegetables, have more water. But I'm working it out, guys. Well, until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Are you constipated? Don't be scared to tell me now. Don't be scared. Nah, it is public, so everybody gonna know, but we working through this thing together, right? So don't be scared. Are you? All right. Until next time, guys. This is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.